Hello there. In today's video, I'm going to show you one more way of creating quizzes. Okay, and that one is is easier than which I had shown you previously. Now I have a playlist on forms, titled as forms only. So I have created two videos in that playlist of that is part 1 and part 2 of how to create Google Forms, and third one over there present is how to print Google Forms. But according to my point of view, creating Google Forms is accessible, but it is quite difficult. So the easier way of creating a quiz is Survey Heart. Now this application is very nice, and what happens here is when you create a new quiz, add a title and a description, and then add a question, what happens is the marks is written over there as 1, so you can change from there only. And then besides that only there is the edit box of the question, and besides that only there is the edit box of the answer, and then you just have to go back and your question is added. That's simple. But in Google Forms, you know what you have to do? You have to just click on add question, write the question, and then do all that stuff. It's a very long procedure which you must be knowing if you've watched that video, and it is quite tiring as well. So you can make use of this application. So now, as you search in the Play Store, Survey Heart, it will come at the top only and you can install it. Just click next, next, next until you reach a page where you have to select your account. Select your account and click the OK button. That's pretty simple. Now, why am I asking you to click next, next, next? Because see, in the beginning it is showing nothing important. It is just some information. Like some apps show collect forms and all of those things. So you just have to click next, 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 and that's simple. Now in today's video, I will not show you how to create a new form. I will show you how to select from the given templates. That's it. And the settings which will be there in that will be applied to the forms which you create as well. No, it will not be applied to the forms, but like the settings which you can perform are the same for for the forms that you create manually and for the templates that are already provided. The settings are the same, so you need not worry. Now let us go in the application and start straight away.
Survey Heart. Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold to long
This is the
press.
application.
Actions available. Signed in as Tabasum. IMG toolbar search button. Capital T. List. No form available.
No form available because I haven't created any form.
Selected. Forms. Tab. Quizzes. Tab. 3 of 5. Drafts. Tab. More. Tab. Button form type chooser. Plus. Button. Out of list. Double tap to activate. Labels available. Use tap with 3 fingers to view.
Now there are some tabs over here which I don't think you need to make use of. So currently I don't think that you need to make use of. You have to just be in the default thing which already comes. You just have to click on the form and you will get a button form type chooser. You just have to click here.
Forms. Create new form survey. Quizzes. Create new quiz.
And
double tap to
quizzes. Create new quiz. There is survey which you can create. So over there, you can create like
forms. Create new form survey. Survey Heart. Form templates.
Now there are some templates from which you can choose, or you can also choose a blank template and create it for yourself. See.
Feedback.
Education.
7 questions. Contact form. Collect contact information. 1 of 10. Inlet. 8 questions. Customer feedback form. Gauge customer satisfaction level. 2 of 10. 5 questions. Customer satisfaction. Gather information about how a customer views our company. 3 of 10. 7 questions. Employee satisfaction. 7 questions. General event feedback. Gather feedback about a seminar. Survey Heart. Button form type chooser. Plus. List. So that is how it is. Okay, there are templates. Now in the same way there are templates for quizzes as well. So today we will look into quizzes. No form available. Selected. Quiz. More. Button. Form. Quizzes. Survey Heart. Quiz templates. Showing items 1 to 3 of.
Now here there are quiz templates. I'll select one template.
10 questions. Inventions. Do you know who invented some of the things we use? 10 questions. Books and authors. Check your books and authors' knowledge by taking this test. 3 of 9. Showing items 1 to 3 of 9.
I'll click this.
Double tap to act.
You can select whichever you want.
Survey hard. Books and authors. Edit box. Title. Out of list.
The title is
Double
Books
tap
and
to edit.
Authors.
Check your books and authors' knowledge by taking this test. Edit box. Description.
And here is the description.
Double tap to edit text. Books.
So now all the questions have come which they have provided in the template, and the title which they have given and the description which they have given. You can make any changes which you desire in this form. You can also add more questions.
Button survey heart builder add question plus button. Double tap to activate. Labels
just have to
available.
click here.
Use tap with 3 fingers to view.
You just have to click here, write the questions title, and the marks will be automatically 1. You can put it to 2, 3, 4, whatever you like, and then write the answer straight away, and then come out, or just click the back button. That's simple. Now the form already has provided 10 questions for us. So this is an MCQ quiz. Okay. Now let's see the settings of this quiz.
Books and author. Check your book. Answer. Nani Pakhivila. Check books. Button survey heart builder add submit. Settings. Double tap to activate.
I'll click on the settings button.
Settings. BTN survey. Setting. Button survey heard for. Submit. Themes.
We can choose themes.
Change theme. Tap here. Show logo. Do you want to show logo in form?
Logo
Double
will
tap
be
to
shown
activate.
if you check this.
Not checked. Welcome page.
Now welcome page.
Do you want to show welcome page?
Welcome page.
Start. Edit box. Start button.
Start
Double tap
button.
to edit text. Double tap and hold to long press. Editing
now
options
it has-
available. Use tap with show logo. Start.
So now it is showing that start edit box. Now here when when someone starts solving a form, they will get a start button. Now here what you can do is click on the edit box. The QWERTY keyboard will open, and you can change the thing. That means you can write a start form or start quiz or whatever you like. It has given by default start. It always gives start by default. You can change it if you want.
Checked. Checkbox. Double
This
tap
is
to
checked.
toggle.
You can uncheck
Labels
as
of
well.
quiz control.
Quiz controls are there now.
User info.
Now how much user info you want to collect?
Do you want to get participant information? Checked. Checkbox. Labels
also
available.
checked.
Name. Edit box.
Name.
Double tap to edit text. Double tap and hold to long press. Editing options available. Use tap with 3 fingers to view.
Name, email address and phone number are the 3 things which it collects. So if you want to collect name, you just have to click on the checkbox over there in front of it and just check it. Same applies for email and phone number as well. Now here you have name edit box. You can write your name as well over here. So it will appear your name. See.
English. Us. QWERTY. Not check. Editing. Name. Edit box. Space. Space. Settings. Do you want to start? Edit. Quiz control. Start. Do you want editing? Name. Talk back menu. Editing. Editing. Beginning of field. Samsung G. Backs. G. Y. Y. O. O. U. U. E. R. Settings. User info. Do you checked? Check editing. Your name. Edit box.
So now it became
Keyboard
your
hidden.
name. That's simple.
Not checked. Checkbox.
So this
Double
is
tap
not
to
checked. I
toggle.
can check it.
Checked.
Now name will be asked.
Email. Edit box.
Email.
Not checked.
I will not
Checkbox.
check.
Number. Edit. Duration.
Now say number also we can check.
Start. Edit box. You do check your name. Check. Email. Not checked. Number. Duration. Number. Edit box. Disabled. Not checked. Checkbox. Number. Duration.
Now after number there is duration. You can set up a duration for your quiz here as well, which you cannot do in Google Forms. Now you can set up a duration for say half an hour, and then in half an hour whatever the person does, that much will be submitted to you. Okay. So like you can set a duration and that much duration the person has to complete the test. If the person has not completed the test, then what will happen is how much ever the person has completed, no, that much will be submitted.
Do you want to set a duration? Not checked. Checkbox.
This is unchecked.
Double tap to toggle.
I'll
Labels
check it.
available. Set duration.
So
Hours.
set duration
Minutes.
has come.
00. Edit box.
00 is there, edit box for hours. So I'll click here.
00. Edit box.
I want to keep it 00 only, so I'll let it be.
Set duration. 23. Button. Editing. 00. 01. 29. 30. Edit box.
And the next edit box is 30, that is minutes. So I want to keep it for 30 minutes, I'll keep it for 30 minutes, or else I can click here and change the time. Okay, for example.
Editing. 30. Edit box. Backs. Sam. Clear text. 1. 1. 5. 5.
So now it has become for 15 minutes.
Set duration. 20. Edit. 30. Cancel. Done. Double tap to activate.
You can cancel, or when you are done, you just have to click on the done button.
015. Keyboard hidden. Settings. Checked. Checkbox. Double tap to toggle. Labels available. Time. 15 minutes.
Now here it is showing also time 15 minutes. Now if you want to change this, what you have to do is just simply uncheck the checkbox and then you have to recheck it. So again the duration, set duration page will open and then you can perform actions accordingly.
Check. Allow multiple attempts.
Allow multiple attempts. So whether the person who is attempting your form should be able to attempt multiple times. So if you want, you can allow. If you want, you cannot allow.
Do you want to allow the user to attempt more than once? Not checked. Checkbox.
If you
Double
check
tap
this
to toggle.
checkbox,
Labels available. Use tap with 3 fingers to view.
if you check this checkbox, the person who is attempting your form will be able to attempt it more than once.
Quiz result.
Quiz result.
Show quiz results. Do you want to allow the user to view results?
So should the person be able to view the results? If you want, you can check this and uncheck this according to your wishes.
Checked. Checkbox. Show correct answer.
Show correct answer. If you uncheck this, the person won't be able to see the correct answer, which is.
Do you want to show correct? Not checked. Checkbox.
I'll check it. I want to show.
Double checked. Questions.
Questions.
Show question number.
If you want, you can show the question number as well, or else the question will be without question numbers.
Show question numbers. Checked. Checkbox.
I'll not check this.
Double tap. Shuffle questions. Off. Show question. Not checked. Shuffle questions.
So I have set this. Now the question numbers won't be shown. It will be numberless. Now there is shuffle question order. Now what will happen in this is, for example, you have sent the link of this form to 2 people. That is, for example, your mom and your dad. So when your dad is, for example, opening the link, the first question which appears to him will be different than the first question which has appeared to your mother. It will work that way. The questions which are in the form will be the same, but the alignment will be different. So, it will change. So for different people, it will align differently. So for mom, if the question if question number 1 is question number 10 for dad, so like that it will happen. The questions will remain the same, but the order will shuffle.
Do you want to shuffle the quiz questions? Not checked. Checkbox.
I'll check
Double
it.
tap to checked.
And that's it. There are only these many settings. Now after that, you just simply have to submit. Now as you submit, what will happen is it will be saved.
BT setting. Button survey heard form setting preview. But submit. Shuffle questions. On. Creating quiz. Share. BTN form share exit. Button. Double tap to activate. Share. Quiz link. HTTP. Copy link.
We can copy
Double
it.
tap to link copied.
And you can also share it.
View quiz. Double tap to
via
activate.
WhatsApp or something like that. Now you can also take a preview by clicking on the preview button which was provided there, or you can click here and view your quiz. I'll click on view quiz.
Loading. 0%. Progress bar. Survey hard. Web view. Book theme. Books and authors. Check your books and authors knowledge by start button. No connection. Start. Books and authors. Web theme. Enter your details. Edit box. your name. Edit box, email. Cancel, button.
So now I had checked the checkbox of name and email. So I have put the both of the things. See, I have written my name
Tabs, edit box, your name.
and then I have written my email. So now what I have to do is simply
Cancel. Start quiz, button.
click on start quiz.
Books and authors, web view.
So now the quiz has opened.
Talk, voice commands. Talk back set. Show screen. Survey hard. Books and authors. Theme. Graph. 00. In. Books and author. Who has written the book My Frozen Turbulence in Kashmir? Not checked. Radio button.
So now
Anise Ewing.
there are questions and there are options below. You can check them. Okay, and then
Books and
submit
authors. Second. 30. Minutes. 14. Hours. 00.
Now
Theme. Books and authors. Web view.
books and authors web view. This is your quiz
Theme. Graphic.
and the theme
00. In.
00. This is the hour. Now as I had said the duration, it is showing the hour and the minute. They will pass by and your seconds will reduce and then the minutes will reduce and at the end the time will be over.
Hours.
0
Colon.
13
Minutes.
So I have 13 minutes left with me.
Colon. 54 Seconds.
seconds. So 13 minutes 54 seconds.
49
So it will go on reducing because the time goes ahead. It won't stop for me. So like that. Okay, so that is how you can create quizzes and also share them with
AZ
others.
record.
So that is pretty simple. You can just choose from templates and share them with others, or you can create quizzes on your own. If you still don't understand how to create quizzes, you can write them in the you can write it in the comment section. I'll try and make a video on that as well. So this was it for today's video. Until next time, bye bye.
Hi everyone. If you like my video, so please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any doubt, then you can write it in the comments section down below. I will try to answer it soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.